So here we have the Ford Ecosport Z-Tech on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Hand side of the steering wheel here, we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle, ask it to dial anyone in your contact list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone out of your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you've paired the phone, and that is done over on the central screen up here. You can see at the moment that it's showing if you want to add a phone, you press a button down in the bottom left hand corner. That button is this button here on the actual stereo unit itself. So before we come back to the phone, I want to talk about the radio for the car. So you can see you've got FM radio. Every push of the radio button on the main unit will give you a different frequency all the way back round to the FM frequencies again. And then beyond that, you've got a CD player, and you can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device, as you can see just there, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So not only can you make and receive phone calls once you've paired your phone, you can listen to your music that way as well, should you wish to. So the CD player is at the top of that unit just there, and the buttons I was using a moment ago are down the left hand side. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can select the temperature over this side, fan speed on this dial. That button turns the air conditioning on or back off again, and then you can determine where within the car you would like the air to blow. Below that, we've got Ecosport badging, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then finally a 12-volt charging socket and the auxiliary and USB inputs that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.